In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert PDF to Google Docs in Google Drive. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open a PDF as an editable Google Doc, and, if needed, download it as a Word file, all using built-in tools. Start in your web browser on the Google homepage. Make sure you're signed in so you can access your files. In the top right corner, click the small grid icon, also known as the Google Apps Launcher. From that menu, choose Drive. This opens your Google Drive, where all your files and folders live. Inside Drive, locate the PDF you want to convert. If it's already there, great. Just find it in your folder or use the search bar at the top. When you see the file, right-click it. On a trackpad, that can be a two-finger click. A menu will appear. Move your mouse over Open With. Don't click yet. Just hover so the submenu appears. Then click Google Docs. Google Drive will create a new Google Docs file from your PDF. This is where the conversion happens. Text in the PDF is extracted so you can edit it, and images are placed in line where possible. Depending on the original layout, some formatting, like columns, fonts, or tables, may look a bit different, especially if the PDF is a scan. Large or image-heavy PDFs may take a moment to open, so give it a little time. Once the new Google Doc opens, you can edit the text, adjust headings, fix spacing, and move images as needed. Your original PDF remains untouched in Drive. The conversion creates a separate document with the same name plus a Google Docs icon, so you can always go back to the source file if you need it. If you want a copy, you can share or open in Microsoft Word. Head to the top left of the Google Doc and click File. From the drop-down, choose Download. In the list of formats, click Microsoft Word. A .docx file will download to your computer. This is helpful if you need to send an editable document to someone who uses Word, while keeping the Google Doc version saved in Drive for collaboration and version history. A few quick tips as you wrap up. The cleaner and more text-based your PDF is, the better the conversion. Scanned PDFs will rely on optical character recognition, which may require you to proofread for accuracy. After the download, check your Downloads folder to confirm the Word file saved correctly. And that's it. You've converted a PDF to Google Docs in Google Drive and downloaded a Word version when needed.